The weather has been hot and dry across the Twin States for the past couple of days, but out towards our west, we have a cold front moving through and bringing more rain in the forecast.
Can't burn anything. You can't even do a bonfire.
We do have dry conditions outside of our viewing area, and that's even despite the fact that we had quite a few showers and thunderstorms last night, but that's now moved out of our area into the east. That's all for the kinds of fog that we usually see here in northeast Mississippi, but if you're wondering when it's going to be our next chance to get some rain and possibly even some fog, I have more on that in the full forecast coming up. If you look towards our west over in Eupora, we've got this isolated shower moving towards Clay County. On Saturday, we're not going to be in the path of totality for that, but here in Mississippi, we should see 60 to 70% coverage. Besides giving us more pleasant temperatures, that cold front is giving us dry air. On our Saturday, of course, we're going to be taking on Alabama. It's a good thing that kickoff is not till 8 p.m. because in the afternoon, we'll be 91 degrees. Good afternoon and happy Thursday. It's been a warm day outside. We're going to continue to see those warm temperatures for the next couple of days, but then heading into our weekend, especially towards the end, we'll finally see a cold front moving into the area, bringing us much cooler conditions for our next week. But for right now, as we step outside on campus, we're seeing those warm temperatures, 82 degrees outside, although we've got quite a bit of cloud cover. Still seeing those sunny conditions as well. Thankfully, that humidity is down, dew point only in those upper 50s. And we're going to continue to stay warm throughout the evening and the overnight period. So near dinner time, it's going to be near 80 degrees, partly cloudy conditions, and then only cooling off into those lower 70s by 10 p.m. Starting off tomorrow morning, our low is going to be 63. So overall, not getting very cool overnight and definitely not going to be cool tomorrow afternoon. Going to see yet another above average day, with those temperatures 83 degrees once again. As you can see here, the average usually 73. So over 10 degrees warmer than what we are supposed to be, and winds once again 5 to 10 miles per hour, but still another sunny day. The weekend, very similar. Those temperatures still in the mid 80s, lots of sunshine and calm winds, but things finally start to change as we get towards our Sunday evening. I'll show you all that here on Future Cast. So for Saturday, we've got this frontal boundary just to our north, and it will stay up there for the entirety of our Saturday. But then early on Sunday morning, that's when things start to change. As you can see, 8 a.m., then we see that cold front starting to drop down from the north and west, moving across our area. And just behind that, we're going to have some showers for our Monday morning. 8 a.m. on Monday, we're seeing some rain, and that sticks around throughout the day, but clears out as we head towards our Tuesday. So while Halloween is looking to be dry, it's going to be much cooler as we're having a big drop in temperatures after that cold front. You see Sunday in those mid 80s, but then Monday 62 and our Halloween 57. So we are close enough to the holiday to know that if you are going to be wearing a costume or dressing up your kids, you'll want to add some extra layers. It is going to be chilly. And then we're going to stay chilly as we go into November. So this is the outlook for the next 6 to 10 days. So we know right after Tuesday, that's when we're going to be in November. And those temperatures are going to be well below average for much of the southeast. So looking at that 7-day forecast, warm couple of days, but then next week is going to be much cooler, including Halloween. And you notice those overnight lows, even in the 30s. So you're going to want some sleeves as we finish out this spooky season.